Hey, what's up, everybody? Here, Ivan. Gonna do a super quick video on YouTube AdSense. Gonna do a campaign for you since, like always, a lot of people been asking me a lot of questions. I made this video and they, they're telling me to make a campaign on this platforms. I'll do platforms that mentioned. So I'm gonna show it to you very fast. Um, Yeah, let me show you fast how I make a campaign on propeller ads. If you haven't watched these videos on my Facebook um, profile, so I should suggest to watch it so you will get more info. I give a lot of information for free that I should charge, but I'm not charging. I'm not like those gurus, fake gurus, they charge for everything. But let me show you how it works right here. Let me do a simple campaign so at least you can start making some money and passive income. Right here, just put whatever, the name of the video, the date, that's what I do. Like what's today, 9, 27, 22, whatever. Uh, right here, pop under and pop under right here. And right here on CPM, that means that what's it? Clicks per mile. That means on clicks per 1,000 views, impressions. So you always put it right here, and the video that you're gonna be promoting. I give a lot of details right here on how it works, what video you should promote, and the make money niche, or yeah, mostly make money niche because usually Google AdSense pay you more for that. For this big companies pay a lot for advertising on your video. And we split the commissions from you and Google, whatever. I get in depth in that information right here, so I suggest to watch this video first. I'm just gonna do a campaign for you fast since a lot of people have been requesting it. Um, just put a link right here, video that's gonna make you commissions. Right here, impressions, just put one. Yeah, one. Always put one. Don't put three, cause usually that means that they're gonna be showing to them 3 times a day on these people that we're gonna be targeting. So just leave it at once, one times per day. Sorry. And then right here, leave it like that. It's super easy to create these campaigns. That's why I like it. You don't have to create funnels or nothing. You can promote a website right here if you want. You have a lot of ads. You can promote it right here very fast, and you don't get in trouble like Google Ads on Facebook. You know how they are very strict on that. Promoting affiliate marketing, what's it? Pay per call too, and CPA marketing, and having an issue with CPA marketing, you gotta do a lot of cloaking, link cloaking. So, but that's another topic. So yeah, right here, just leave it like that. Right here, traffic options, popular ads. This is the site uh, that I'm promoting. It's from Spain. Quality traffic. That's quality. That's what we need. AdSense on Google AdSense because usually that's what they pay for, quality traffic. So just leave it right there like this, broker traffic and propeller ads. Right here, check this one, low, because low is like bot traffic, proxy. So you don't want this. They won't pay for this. Trust me, they will know. I found out I was having the three checks, the three sections. These are high, medium, and low. Check. And later I found out that my commissions were getting low. It sucks because I was investing a lot of money. I've been doing this for months, or maybe a year, I don't know. But that's what I found. I was putting this low traffic, so uncheck it. And right here, you want the states, United States. And right here is manual bidding. So I just put 50. But if you want to start just starting your videos, or you're just creating your videos, just put right here set recommended rate, and they will put the automatic rate that the highest bidder is paying. If you don't understand what I'm saying, it's like Google Ads and Facebook, that they will tell you this is the highest bidders or the lowest bidders. So if you want to start, just do it like this, and then just switch after you've been promoting this video. Just switch it to 50 cents. I will show you right now. Daily campaign budget, I usually start with 100. Total budget 100. And right here, platform always on desktop. Don't go on mobile, cause on mobile, they don't pay you a lot. Absent. We focus on getting views, organic views from these platforms. This is adult traffic, but usually it's not bot traffic. That's what Google they want real IP traffic. Trust me, if they're proxies or whatever bots, they will find out and later they won't pay you. It happened to me. I tested it and I lost a lot of money on that because I was testing on bots, and I got into some trouble. I was doing some black hat methods, but just follow my lead right here, what I'm doing right here, because it's usually working right now for me. Right here's another topic, and I'm gonna explain you. I gotta come up with a training video on that, because usually you could get up to 10x. That's why I'm making this. But this is what I'm showing you right now. You could get at least 2x. This is another advanced stuff. Right here, the share, and that's it. This is basics. When I started doing 2x, 5x, 10x, but now Google changing the algorithm, so you cannot make it happen like before. But this is good for starting. Test it on your videos. Check the RPM on your videos. Watch this video that I made on Facebook. I might put it next week on my YouTube channel. Usually I just put it first on my Facebook. Why? Because I have a lot of friends on Facebook since they've been following me since 2010. And then I made my YouTube channel in 2018, 17, I can't recall. But yeah, watch this video and I'll give you more in depth and what videos to promote and everything. I'm usually testing this platform that I've been hearing that they pay you more than YouTube. So that's why I stalled my course, because I want to test this one first and then put it on my course, so you don't have, because you don't have to pay twice, because this is going to be different. What I heard, this platform is paying more than YouTube. So, because it's new and it's getting a lot of hype. That's what I heard. So you have to make your own videos and everything. It's like, it's YouTube ads. I call it like that, because usually they're paying you for views, no, not for clicks. So yes, if you have any questions or you want me to send you this video, let me know and I will try to forward to you as soon as possible. And thanks for watching this video. See ya. Peace.